everyone, I'm Kelly from Crafting at Cuppa, and this is unboxing episode number 4. So today I'm going to be opening up a new collection from Knit Pro. Quite exciting. They've sent me some things to open, which is quite exciting as well. So it's going to be some of their collection from Lantern Moon, which is handcrafted accessories, crochet accessories, knitting needles, that sort of thing, all handcrafted. Quite exciting. And I've also got a little bit of some beautiful hand dyed yarn from Symfonie Yarns. So, should we crack on and see what's in the box? What's in the box? Where did I hear that from? I don't know. Okay, so as it says here, Lantern Moon Handcrafted, which is going to be all the accessories that they do, and Symfonie, which is the hand dyed yarn. So should we take a little look? So we've got a carry case here. It's quite exciting. Ooh, got a few bits in here. This is the yarn that I picked. This is from their Viva collection, and this is called Riverbank. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. It feels so soft. Viva 100% wool superwash merino. And this is DK. I do like my DK yarn. So there's that. That's beautiful. Now we've got loads of little bits and pieces in here. And it says on each one what it is. So this one is amazing. I am so happy with this. This is a tape measure. Now I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos where I've been using my ridiculously loud tape measure. Look at that! Lovely jubbly. It's got centimetres and inches and a little fluffy sheep. So that is amazing for me. Look at these little bags that come in. Very, very pretty. And then we've got this one. And this is, where are we? This is like something that you can keep your hooks in. Or anything else really. Let's open it up and have a little look. A little storage thing that you can like put. Oh, just dropped it. That's not a good start, is it? And now I can't open it. Here we go. So you can pop this on your desk. Pop it on your desk. Put your hooks in it. Look at that. It's a little sheeplet. Hello. Lovely. Very nice. Let's put that one there. What's next? Let's have a look. I keep going and look at that as the ticket, but it's not, is it? It's on the bag. So this one is a case. Oh, this one contains some crochet hooks. Handcrafted crochet hooks. This would make a very, very good gift for somebody if you have a friend that's a crafter, or even for yourself. It's a really lovely little set, isn't it? Very nice. Let's have a little look inside. Handcrafted crochet hooks. Got my trusty 5mm. I do love a 5mm hook. I don't know why, I just use it a lot. So this set ranges from 4mm, it starts at, and it goes up to 8mm. I've got 4mm, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, and then an 8. And then you've got space in here to put some other little bits in. And in here as well. Nice little travel set that could be, couldn't it? Very nice. Now this one, this is like a little storage bag. If you've got any little whips or anything, you're going out and you've got a little whip that you want to take with you. Or you could put your hooks, put my little thing in here, my little hook bag in here. Oh, it's so soft. And so cute. Look at those sheepies. So a nice little bag. What do we have in here? We've got some stitch markers in here. Ooh. Oh, look at those. Oh, they're so cute. Very nice. Stitch markers. And here we've got a little stitch marker pouch, which is perfect because mine are currently in this little plastic little bag and it's got a hole in it and they always fall out. So this is absolutely perfect. This has come at the right time. A little pouch for your stitch markers. I love the little, I wouldn't say it's a tassel, but the drawstring. Look at that. Look. Got some little beads on it. Lovely, lovely jubblies. Now here, this feels like a sign for me, you know. I've got some circular needles. I used to knit before I crocheted, but I wasn't very good. I knew how to do, is it the garter stitch and purl? I knew how to do those two, but I did not know what to do if I went wrong. So my work would always have lots of holes in it because I had no idea. And I've recently been thinking how much I'd love to learn again how to knit, and that hopefully maybe now I might have more of an understanding of it, seeing as a crochet. This is a sign, isn't it? Finally, I keep saying I need to get myself some knitting needles, but then I never get round to it. Well, now I've got some. Now I actually have some knitting needles. And there's some interchangeable needles here as well. 4.5mm. These are circular needles, circular ones as well. 5mm. I've got some double point needles, which are 2.75 millimeters, made with ebony. Oh, lovely. And then this one is a little pouch to put it all in. Oh, to put my little hooks in and my needles. They just slot in here, that. Very nice. Yeah, they just slot in there. I suppose you could put all these little bits in this bag, couldn't you, in this little sheepy bag. Lovely gift set this is, really lovely gift set. And then I've also got catalogues. So this is the Lantern Moon catalogue with all their handcrafted accessories. Look, oh, look at those. More knitting needles. Very nice. And then there's also a catalogue in here for the Symfonie yarns. All hand dyed yarns. Mine's from the Viva collection, this one that I've got here. and I went for Riverbank. There it is, Riverbank. This is the one that I got. This one right here. I've got to think what to make with it. I'm kind of thinking like a little mesh vest, possibly. We'll have to wait and see. Wait and see what happens. But yeah, I'm going to get on working on this in a few minutes. Right. So yeah, lovely little set that is. I'll put a link to Lantern Moon Handcrafted website and also the Symfonie Hand Dyed Yarns. I'll put a link in the written description of this video. So there we are, that's the end of this little unboxing episode, number 4. So thank you so much to Knit Pro for the Lantern Moon handcrafted accessories and the beautiful yarn from Symfonie. Have a little peek in here if you can see it. Lovely little set. So thank you so much for that, and thank you for tuning in for another episode. I'll see you again soon.